as I mentioned earlier, it's not only the performing part of it, but there is a lot of research which goes with Suchitatai. We would like to know more about it in this episode.
So now, Pakhavaj entered Nritya Ganga recital. Initially, I think I met Pandit Arjun Cheswar.
Okay, he used to play.
Yeah. See, all these people, they showed a lot of interest in my new work, and he used to come to Shivaji Park and to my place. And then I thought now on Pakhavaj how to start instead of Peshkar, Prastar came. So he composed the first simple Prastar like Alarpu and started dancing that. To the extent that today again both Pakhavaj and Tabla are there because songs like Padams and Pads and Natya
Tabla suits better.
Tabla suits better. Also Tabla person can do the Padant part. And as I said, sometimes I have both harmonium and flute, but sometimes only harmonium is good for the singers. Some male singers have started like Rishikesh. And so Nritya Ganga has been...
so now it is established like a full Margam kind of thing.
Yeah, I have begin with Prastar or nowadays with a composition in praise of Ganesh with Ganesh Kautukam, and then follows the Sargam, then there is Shivastuti. I used quite a few different Shivastutis, one in Natabhairav, one Bhairav programs in Prabhatai's program. I heard this Vaje Damaru Dama Shiva Nachere. So I said that's very good for dance. And then Suresh Dada has always been there to give me the suitable parents. He will give 50 out of that. It takes me little time to, I'm not so quick like Kathak dancers, but then I do discern. He also on the way, he has learned Carnatic tal system and derived lot of things from Carnatic. So he can discern the pattern for me in Takita Takadi, Takita, and then I'm good with it. So. Like this, almost now 80 compositions are ready.
So I think it's now capable or equipped with compositions so that you can train students in that style. Do you really call it a bani or what you
I
can say,
have
a
never-
style of its own?
I have never called it anything. Well, I never thought that it's something to create a different Bani or such things were never in my mind. Initially, it was performed as Bharatanatyam to Hindustani music. But I felt now this has a different hue. It's when you expect, when you say Bharatanatyam, you will expect certain things, and then it will not be so consistent with what I was doing. So I thought that I should give it a different name. That was the first thought. So Ganga I felt because that's a commonly holy river for both north and south. And now this, I didn't want this to be a style of particular like from Maharashtra, or of course initially it had, that thought was at the back of my mind that each region in India has style of their own. There's Kathak for North, Kuchipudi for Andhra, Mohiniyattam for Kerala, and but Maharashtra,
no such
you will say only Lavani. So, which is not classical style. So that was there. So initially when I started, like I started calling it Nritya Ganga, this was one thing on my mind, that now in today's times it is not a style of Maharashtra, nothing like that. It's a all India thing. At the same time, to give it a different character, initially I thought of that side fan. Now it become very common for Bharatanatyam, for Odissi, for everybody is wearing that. So I wanted like our 9-yard sari with kashta and mocha and kashta.
Okay.
So initially I had a lot of problem finding a tailor to do that, but finally our
from Mumbai, Gulam
Bhai, he had because he had stitched for Sandhya ji for Shantaram movies, so he made even from 6-yard
custom made costume,
Kanjivaram sari, but he made like with kashta. And so initially those were there. I think there are some photos where I am even wearing nath. I got specially
typical
small
Maharashtrian way of
to give it because you know, when you say Mohiniyattam, certain thing comes and people know it from, so this is something different, that's what. But Bani and all, these thoughts had never entered my mind. I think it was one of the performance where Subhadra Murthy, who's a renowned music critic, dance critic, so she came to the stage and congratulated me and said, Suchita, you have created a new Bani for Bharatanatyam. So I said, oh, okay. So now it has come to a stage where it could, if I'm able to create more and more disciples, and so it could go. Because as I said, when I danced it in Krishna Gana Sabha or in Kerala, in Hyderabad, they liked it. And there was no objection to doing, because as V.A.K. Rangaraj said, it's like flower and its fragrance. That's what he wrote in Shruti. That if we see it, it's beautiful Bharatanatyam and it combines so well with lovely Hindustani music. So what is there to object? So it has been accepted, and now, of course, I feel younger ones are without any inhibition, North
they are
Indian
more open
ragas,
to,
and why dancers, even Carnatic musicians are using lot of embellishments which
from
are from Hindustani. So I think somewhere it has
kind of globalization.
The thought which was like, Arey, what is this dancing to Bharatanatyam to Hindustani music? That is no more there. Now that has happened. And your question, yes, so far apart from Arundhati, my daughter, she did her first performance only. She said, I'm more comfortable with Hindustani. So Rarangetram or Ranga Pravesham was in Nritya Ganga. That time, whatever those compositions ready, I had taught her. It was way back in, I think, 94 or 93 in Tilak Smarak, and Prabhatai was there, and she was so happy that now it will continue.
Was it your Nritya Ganga was your thesis for your doctorate when you did your Gandharva Mahavidyalaya doctorate? Was it the thesis?
Yeah, because actually in between, I mean after my GD Art graduation, and performances were going on, and then children. So in between, I thought at that time in Nalanda, dance degrees had started. They had
in Mumbai.
In Mumbai, in BA, MA in dance. So I said, why not? Why can't I do MA in dance? But that time GD Art wasn't degree. But I met Kanak Redeji, and she was so nice. That time I think Kalakshetra Gayatri and myself, we both had applied for him.
Okay.
So she had a special meeting with the university selectors, and then we had to explain, and then she said, well, they are already established dancers. So I got directly admission for MA. Okay. Though of course GD Art now is a graduation degree, but that time it wasn't. So I give full credit to Kanak Ben to have organized this academic council meeting, and
so you did your masters from Mumbai University.
Yeah, so I did my masters, and it was of course second year I was carrying Anand, so I took 3 years practical I guess later on, and had contact with Soundarajan master. Of course we were free, we didn't have to learn from the teachers who were there. Okay. But quite a few different, like, you know, so far with Parvati Kumar, with master, everything related to dance, like Abhinay Darpan, Natya Shastra, we all knew this. But I felt because of there is Southeast Asian theatre, and there is aesthetics, and so many different subjects. So this peripheral thing I thought would help me. I was interested. Actually, my father had always, no, you are a performer, don't pay too much attention to teaching. Yeah. I used to say, no, I like it, I will do it. And I feel now it's good, because after this age now performing is going to be less and less, and so I can concentrate more on
The
my
Shastra
so
part of it.
that time quite a few people were against my entering this college, but I was firm and I did it. And the MA part 2 there was research, by research. So we had to make a dissertation apart from practical. So that time already my Shaji work was ready. Actually, it's a 250 page, almost 300 page thesis. But then I felt, well, so far I have done this, it could have fetched me a PhD as well, because it was new work and I had really gone through all
Right from the
sources. And but then it was ready, and I felt, and my Anil also, my husband also felt that you record it, you write about it, and then it will be consolidated. So I had already written thesis on King Shahji's compositions for my MA degree. So after that started this silsila of Nritya Ganga. Again some 10 years I had worked. Now again my husband was after me, write it. Because see, whatever you have done, unless it is there for posterity, for your student, maybe if they want to go further, this is just the beginning.
From
So,
long futuristic point of view?
Well, I could have again registered for PhD at Bombay University, but then I felt again 6 years, I had already worked for 10, 12 years.
Yes.
And there was some program in Vashi, Gandharva, Mahadal, and Pandit Athavle Bua knew me well. He has been my grandfather's friend and all that. So he said, Sucheta, why don't you give us your thesis? It will be first for Gandharva to, first for a dance, Sangitacharya they call it, equivalent to PhD.
Yes.
So why don't you write? You give it to us. In 1 year I said, but one condition, the examiners I will suggest, you don't. They should be of that standard. I want granted, I mean, affirmation from really knowledgeable of both Hindustani music and Carnatic dance, because otherwise just Hindustani person would view the thesis differently, just Carnatic.
Yes.
So in that year I prepared my thesis on Nritya Ganga. But for just by that time, EMRC had, I had done 2 serials for EMRC. So one on Nritya Ganga.
Okay.
So that helped, where I have talked, and then each composition, how I came about choreographing it. Ashtamangal, yeah, that was one piece which was a new choreography.
Quite a unique one.
Which was not there in Bharatanatyam Margam. Chaturanga also I had done, apart from Taranas. So all that, in that those 6 parts, they were all recorded in Pune University, MRC. Just before that I had called Kittappa sir and we had recorded Shahji pieces also. That time MRB Day was Chancellor and he said, okay, whatever, this is something which should remain. So that's one program which is recorded with Kittappa sir doing
Nritya Ganga.
And then of course Nritya Ganga also, all Pratibha, and that time Rajiv Devasthadi used to play Pakhavat.
Okay.
So all people were there. Sandeep Kulkarni used to be on Basri. Now he's become a very busy accompanist, but he was there. So all this I included with my, those dance parts I could include in my, with your thesis. My thesis. And then I started from Adavus also. I felt I should give some phraseology in Pakhavaj bowls. So that also I have drawn pictures and done a lot of part of that is also of that thesis. And the examiners, I had suggested actually Prabhatai, but she didn't. Athavle, Dr. Ashok Ranade, Athavle Bua was my, he had signed, and C.V. Chandrasekhar. So Ashok Ranade also had
Both
Dr. Ashok
stalwarts
Ranade.
from the
They had
respective
from music
fields.
and he was from dance. And I was not even called for Viva. And that year's best thesis, it got
Yes.
award for the thesis and program. That award ceremony by Gandharva was in Kolhapur that year, where I also danced with the Ganga. So finally it is also in written form.
So you are one of those very few artists with whom Shastra and Parampara go hand in hand. So we are fortunate this time to have you with us.
तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता मात सरस्वती देवी मात सरस्वती देवी मात सरस्वती देवी मात सरस्वती देवी सकल ज्ञानी विद्यादानी सकल ज्ञानी विद्यादानी वाग्देवी मधुभाषिणी वाग्देवी मधुभाषिणी मात सरस्वती देवी सकल ज्ञानी विद्यादानी वाग्देवी मधुभाषिणी मात सरस्वती देवी मात सारे पम रे रे सा सा नि ध पम मात पम ध प नि ध सा नि ध पम मात पद सा र नि ध पम रे रे सा मात सरस्वती देवी मात
धारा कृत धारा कृत धर की धर शिव शिव हर हर धरकिट तक गले मुंड मार शोभित है चंद्रभार घिड़नग टिमिकी डमरू बाजत विघ्न हरत दुरित दुख दूर करत धाकिट तक धुमकिट तक गंग धार जय जटिल जय तू जय तड़ाक तड़ तड़ तड़ाक तड़ तड़ धित्ता किट तक तक धुमकिट धड़न्न धड़न्न तकिट धिकिट तक तकिट धिकिट धित्ता किट तक तक धुमकिट तक गदिगन धा 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 तक धुमकिट तक गदिगन धा 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 तक धुमकिट तक गदिगन धा 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 धा
शंकर दे रे जटा में 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 भादि गंगाधारा काली घटा के अंदर काली घटा के अंदर दामिनी उजारा काली घटा के अंदर दामिनी उजारा
Often we are classical dancers are asked a question why always you have to dance to Shiva and Krishna? Why Krishna also, not any other subject for you? It's not that. Songs need to be created for dance. It needs musical space. It needs poetry, however beautiful, but it needs space and also words which create images. Then that poetry is proper. Gadima is popularly known, Gadi Madgulkar, the most endearing poet for all of us. But I find his Geet Ramayana. You can close the eyes and see the whole Ramayana. I don't feel like dancing to it. But then in Geet Gopal I found one song which is actually, it is Krishna talking to his mother, but it creates three images of Yashoda, Krishna and a gopi. He is trying to tell mother how innocent he is. Sangati khote tya gaurani. She is the one who tells lies. I go, meena chori le loni. I didn't steal butter. You give me so many things. Why should I go and steal butter? She is the one who complains. Look. All the things, the butter, milk, everything you keep up there. See, I'm a small child. Look at that calf. Can he reach it? I can't reach there. She's the one who's telling lies. Sangati khote tya gaurani. I got it composed in a rag, tilang, a little lilting song.
सांगती खोटे त्या गवळणी सांगती खोटे त्या गवळणी सांगती खोटे त्या गवळणी आई ग मीन चोरीले लोणी सांगती खोटे त्या गवळणी सांगती खोटे त्या घटलोण्याचे शिंक्यावरती घटलोण्याचे शिंक्यावरती ते येतील का माझ्या हाती ते येतील का माझ्या हाती घटलोण्याचे शिंक्यावरती ते येतील का माझ्या हाती मुखवत्साचे काय बोचते मुखवत्साचे काय बोचते दाराच्या तोरणी सांगते चिरके कपट दंभन ही माया तेरा हृदय पसद रघुराया तेरे नाथ देव देव तन तेरे ना तेरे ना तेरे ना दर रे तना जगर साधरे दम पम रे गरे तग दिव तकिट तग दिव तम तग दिव तम तग दिव तम तग दिव तम तकिट तग दिव तकिट तग दिव तकिट तग दिव धा 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 तेरे नाथ देव देव तन तेरे ना सारे रे सागरे मग पम ग मग रे तेरे ना सारे रे सागरे मग पम ग मग रे तेरे नाथ देव देव तन तेरे ना मम प ग ग म प सारे रे ग ग म म प रे रे ना मम प ग ग म प सारे रे ग ग म म प रे रे ना तय देव तन तेरे ना तय देव तन तेरे ना तेरे ना तेरे ना तेरे ना तय देव तेरे Jidana अंतर्यामी हे प्रभो तुम